Choosing effort over excuse. Many people know what they want to change, yet stay stuck because excuses feel safer than effort. Excuses protect comfort in the short term, but they also keep progress just out of reach. Real growth begins when responsibility replaces avoidance and small, consistent effort becomes a daily choice. I've noticed that my biggest breakthroughs came when I stopped explaining why something was hard and started asking what I can do with what I had. Effort does not need to be perfect to be powerful. For me, choosing effort over excuses built confidence and momentum one step at a time. Action steps? Today, identify one excuse that has been holding you back and replace it with a simple action that you can take right now. Keep it small and achievable, such as spending 5 focused minutes on something you have been avoiding. Consider that starting imperfectly often creates the motivation that waiting never does. If you would like support to build accountability and follow through on your goals, please get in contact with me to book a counseling or coaching session.